Do you think YouTube automation's a piece of cake? Think again. Let's peel back the curtain on the real challenges they don't tell you about. In this video, we reveal why YouTube automation is going so viral and what it actually yields for a business. We go over the best ways to tackle it for highest profitability. But hey, there's hope. In a moment, I'm going to show you the best AI tool out there that is seriously a game changer, making your YouTube hustle way smoother. I researched for hours and experimented and read reviews so you guys don't have to. YouTube automation can be highly profitable or a complete waste of time unless you just know how to tackle it. Everyone loves to talk about how it's the hottest new thing, but most gurus just don't pull back the curtain on the scary chihuahua that is AI automation that needs to be tamed simultaneously. Before we go into all the details on how to do it right, we need to nail down what YouTube AI automation actually is. Classic YouTube videos used to contain people in front of the camera 100% of the time. Then someone had the bright idea to make a video without stepping in front of the camera. And boom, the idea stuck. The next evolution past faceless videos was the introduction of AI to the internet. That is the new best thing this year. Someone realized that if AI can write a paper, it can probably make a video. Turns out there are some incredible and not so incredible AI softwares out there now that can make an entire video complete with footage, script, narration, and they're all considered quote unquote upload ready. Each video on a YouTube automation channel should make progress toward building a brand, having quality information, quality production, and of course a loyal fan base. And this is where the term automated starts to not make so much sense. If it's automated, the term automated makes you think that it's all hands off, right? No, think again. The whole automated part comes from the fact that you're not on camera. It doesn't actually mean automated like a car driving itself. Automated YouTube channels do not drive themselves in any way, shape, or form. They still require time, critical thinking, creativity, truly valuable content, and investment of either money or care. The term YouTube automations was pretty much just created by gurus to make the business model sound catchy, easy, profitable, and go arm in arm with the release of so many AI technologies in 2024. The most important things to know about YouTube automation is that number one, niche is everything. Any channel will fall on its face if they don't pick the right niche because they will inevitably encounter certain difficulties that they may not have otherwise. Number two, you need to spend money to make the money, which is not great to hear, but it is just true. Sometimes it's better to spend time rather than money, but if you're somebody who is incredibly busy and has the money, use it to your advantage. This is meaning for education, editors, AI softwares, and getting good content to put on the channel. Number three is good talent. You need people to help you make good videos, quirky scripts, awesome transitions, and poppy thumbnails. This doesn't mean that you need to go hire a whole team. If that's what you want to do to save you time, by all means, go do it. This also just means developing your own talent and your own education, because I guarantee everyone's first YouTube video is nowhere near as good as their 50th. But that doesn't mean that you need to experiment and fail to get it right. You can also just research first to get it right. Number four is false expectations. If you expect too much too fast from your YouTube channel, like all these gurus are saying, oh, $10,000 in the first month, that is absolutely achievable. But that means you have to do everything right the very first time and not screw anything up, which, if we're being honest, kind of unlikely, but possible if you know everything you already need to know. If you're a beginner, you probably don't. Let's not forget, AI is still a thing. It can still help you. There are still amazing tools out there to make a YouTube channel way easier than it used to be. One of the best tools that I've found after spending countless hours researching, it's called InVideo AI. It creates videos with very little assistance, provides the content and the narration, and it has options for video length, topic, like things to talk about and things to avoid, creative direction, like tone, humor, and specific topics. It allows you to give feedback for background music if you want it to be dark and ominous or light and happy. It also allows narration, gender, and accent choices. You can choose the audience that you want it to reach. If, for example, if it's in travel, you can choose if you want it to reach solo female travelers or families traveling all together. You can also request a certain look and feel for the video. Like if it is gonna be made for kids, then maybe you want bright and a lot of colors. If it's about nature, maybe you want earth tones and you want it to be very smooth. It also allows for platform of choice because it can provide content for YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. It also allows for edits after video generation. So after you see it all put together, you can request a different intro. You can give it a specific script if you want to change the CTA at the end. And you can also request certain phrases to be said or certain things to be mentioned after the fact, and it will fully adjust the video and the narration. Access to in-video AI also includes 8 million royalty-free clips, a whole slew of narration variations, as well as subtitle generation to make it easier when you upload it onto YouTube. The only downside to in-video AI is it is a paid software, but it will not break your bank. It is only $20 a month, but it does have a free version that you can use for a month. Obviously, it doesn't come with all the same capabilities, but when you consider the amount of time that it saves you in making even just a single video, most videos take 4 to 5 hours. You can have in-video AI do this in as little as 10 minutes. If you are somebody who plans to make a lot of videos, you pretty much pay this off after you've made 4 or 5 videos with it. Bottom line, in-video AI is the best AI automation tool to make for video creation, not channel management. So if you were looking for one and you didn't know which one to try, I recommend giving this one a try, if at least using the free trial. Give it a go, see if it gives you what you need, and if it does, then you can invest in that $20 a month package. I highly recommend it after looking at so many different kinds. So that brings us to the end of this video. Please give it a like and subscribe so that I can keep bringing you guys free training material like this. And also leave a comment. Let me know if you have found another AI resource that I missed that is awesome for creating YouTube content. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go and let's grow.